March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan. They were sailing at night across the big ocean until this so small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Kastila git at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha Mabon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize him everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and drive Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, order his man to come and pledge Mactan Islands which could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn, Polos and Bears versus Cannons Cannon. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried and cried, "Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry. Tell my mama do not cry." That's the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan long time ago, ladies and gentlemen.